Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring both phones are updated and online. This prevents false mismatches. Once done, open the chat, tap the contact name, then encryption to reveal the QR and the 60-digit code. You need both people present because the verification requires scanning the QR or reading numbers at the same time. Do this now, don't delay, so you get an immediate match or see a discrepancy you can act on. Now execute the core verification. Use one phone to scan the other's QR code, grant camera permission, and watch for the green check. If scanning isn't possible, read the 60-digit number aloud and confirm each block slowly, making sure you match digits versus assuming. If you see a mismatch, note device types and app versions, and, if both agree, take screenshots for troubleshooting. These details explain why keys differ and guide the next corrective step. To finish, if the codes still don't match, close and reopen WhatsApp and try verification again. Transient errors often clear. If mismatch persists, update or reinstall the app on the affected device, then repeat scanning. This resets local keys safely. Make sure phone numbers and SIM status didn't change and system time is correct. If you hit an issue, the key troubleshooting tip is this. Confirm both.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.